check this out, guys. So, I have finally gotten some actually decent shocks on the comp crawler. I didn't film putting them on just because it's a lot of finagling, it's a lot of fiddling, trying to get it tuned right, you know. And I figured you guys probably didn't want to see that. But I'm here to tell you what I did anyways. So, what I did was that, basically. Not really a good way to see that, but so what's going on here is we have Traxxas big bore shocks down here at the bottom. They're like the aluminum upgraded ones. These in particular are part number TRA 2662. And then I've got the losi mini T-springs on here as well with some, these are beef tubes spring cups, but you can also get spring cups from, I think his name is Eric at Deluxe Fab. Makes some DraftTech spring cups, and those are pretty good. Those have no preload though. That's the one thing about them. These do have some preload to them. These are the rear springs on here, because if you're going to use the longer 2662 shock body, you're going to need to get the longer springs. So that's what I did. And if you need a little preload, get these beef tubes brand. Hello? Mind Work spring cups. There we go. These also have the cap mod done to them. So you can see in there. There you go. You can see that there's a rod end on the shock body. Down in there, you can kind of see it. I did a video on that, on how to do the cap mod a couple days ago now. You can go check that out. I'll post the link in the description below if you want to see how that, how you can do that. It's super easy. It's a great mod that you can do. So yeah, and I've already taken this out for like 5-10 minutes. Performs so great. The shocks that I had on there before, so bad. Actually, so bad. They bound in just about every way possible. They were just terrible. These, they're really smooth. It sits as a really nice stance. It's a little bit lower, I think. Just a hair under here, it's a little bit lower. But overall, it's not too bad. It really sticks to the ground a lot. And gets some really nice articulation. And it's not over the top, you know, like some people are like all about the articulation. They can make their wheels go like perpendicular to each other. That's not really the idea. I mean, I've got probably a tire and a quarter or so of space here, which is, it's pretty good. It's a good setup, and I like it a lot so far. I haven't even used it that much. So yeah, I was thinking about doing a video to show you how I kind of put these together, but I decided not to, because I just kind of wanted to get it done, you know, but then I knew that I'd show you guys anyways. And I guess if you are wondering, they're filled with 40 weight shock oil, Team Losi. Yeah. Picked all these parts up at my local hobby shop, RC Country Hobbies. You can follow them on Instagram. I believe it's RC Country Hobbies, like that's it. So yeah, great guys over there. Really appreciated their help and such like that. So yeah, that's basically all I have to say on this. The one thing that I'm thinking about getting soon is a low profile servo for the front, so that I don't have as big of a mess going on here with the servo. You can kind of see there, it's sticking out and it's getting in the way of the shock a little bit. I've adjusted it so that it's not, but I would prefer that it have more range of adjustments. So anyway, that's about it. I moved a few of the electronics back a little bit, like up that way, so that these would clear. But otherwise, that's about it. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this little update video. I believe this is like update 10, which is crazy. Thank you guys so much for all the support. We have 2 more subscribers. 2 more subscribers until we get to 100 for that brand new unboxing. I still don't have it. Not yet. Soon. I'm really, really hoping soon. So that's about all for me. If you did happen to enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like. And if this is the first video that you happen to see by me, make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the bell. Get notified of all the cool stuff coming out. Would you do this to your truck? If you have a comp crawler, would you do this sort of shock setup with the losi springs, trackless big bores, and the cap mod? Post up down below. Let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later.